vertical stand feature and collapsible handle allows user to save space by transporting or storing the compressor in a vertical position. 50 SCFM, standard cubic feet per minute at 90 psi, pounds per square inch, allows the compressor to recover quickly after its initial tank charge is exhausted. 78 decibel, operational noise level for a quieter work environment. Oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. Efficient high-pressure motor allows the compressor to be run with an extension code, 12 gauge or heavier, 50 feet or less, due to consistent amp draw requirement of the compressor. High-flow coupler allows for maximum nailer performance. Metal console panel provides a display area as well as protects the gauges, couplers, and regulator. High-flow coupler allows for maximum nailer performance. 2. Gauges allow for an easy-to-read surface.